What's up, y'all? How are y'all doing today? We're back here with the lava mic, as you can see. So, you have a question about the title. Yes, I did get in a car wreck a couple days ago. I was driving around with my boy Andy. We were doing DoorDash. It was actually my first day doing DoorDash stuff because I need to make money in college. So we were driving and I had missed the exit off the highway to go to this particular location. I was already late, so I was kind of like stressing about it. And I didn't know anywhere where I was. I was like, what the fuck? So I drive on the off-ramp of the highway, going about 50, 60, and I see this turn immediately off the on-ramp. I was like, I'm just gonna turn there. In front of us is this kind of construction site. It's dark, so nobody's there. And I'm like, I think I can make that turn. If I slow down enough, I can probably make that turn. Spoiler alert, I didn't make the turn. I ended up losing traction and Tokyo drifting into the construction site and then up the curb and into this person's front yard. And that shit was not so fun. It feels like you're in a dream of sorts. It's wild. But I got out. My car, the bumper was pretty fucked up. The inner side's pretty fucked up. The wheel was like that. Weirdly, I could still drive it, and I finished the order, and the lady was luckily nice. Shout out to Heather, wherever you're at. She forgave me for being 30 minutes late. Luckily, I didn't die or anything. As you can see, I'm still here. If the car had flipped, there's a pretty large chance it could have. Since I have a convertible, that would have been a no-go for me. Would have no longer been here. But that's luckily that is not the case. Your boy is still alive, doing well. What this really taught me, you have to really think about the little time you have in your life. I'm 18, and the average person lives to about, I looked it up, and the average person lives to 79 years. If we display this graph right here, you really see how short that is, and how really mortal we all are. To get really any real accomplishment done, whether that be start a business and become profitable, start a music career, that's what I do, and really gain any traction, you have to look at things in a span of at least 10 years. You can't just think of it as, oh no, I failed and it's been a year. A year is not enough, definitely not enough time. You could do a little bit in a year, but it's not enough. Starting from when you're my age, 18, when really people start working, you only really have about eight periods of 10 years in your entire life. So you have really around 8 chances. As time goes by, those years become smaller and smaller, and the amount of time you have left to really make something happen with your life. And that's really how I look at my life a lot of the time. I really think of it as like, if I need to work hard today because I won't have enough time to really enjoy life, being financially free, having a successful music career, hopefully being famous, that'd be so sick. And really, impacting a lot of people with my music, because my music does mean a lot to me. As every day goes by, you have, a limited amount of time left. It's every one day less. Think to yourself, if I was going to die tomorrow, what would I want to do today? If I am not doing that thing for too many days in a row, then I know I need to change something, and I need to make strides in my life to really work on my purpose and work on what I really want to do. Moral of the story, work hard, be consistent, show up every day. You could die tomorrow, and what would you be leaving behind? What would you be leaving behind if you died tomorrow? Got in a car crash, died tomorrow. So that's what I look at things, and really wasn't really a full-on car crash. I didn't even hit anybody else, but this little accident really kind of brought me back to reality a little bit. Also, something I was thinking about, I'm gonna go off on a fucking hippie rant right here, but materialism. Alright, you're already like, yeah, this is where it's going. Materialism is, it kind of annoys the shit out of me, man. People think that buying more stuff is going to make you happy, but in reality, buying more stuff is really going to stress you out. I'm not rich whatsoever. I'm a college student. And I've never been rich my entire life, but still, I can experience this, like having a car. I'm definitely privileged enough to, own my own car and everything. I bought myself a couple years ago, but, man, that shit stresses you out, Like, it's just when anything little thing goes wrong, you have something else to deal with, man. We have this, this fake belief that materialism makes you happy, but it's so untrue. Like, having money can definitely buy you happiness in the form of like saving a loved one from an illness, for example. But yeah, that was a little rant. I just kind of got off topic. I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you for watching again. Check out my company Backstager. Go to backstager.com, 2 R's, Backstager with 2 R's, backstager.com if you need any need of music production. Thank you. Have a fantastic day. Peace.